kind of thing.
Yep.
Okay. Yep.
All right, everyone. This could get very interesting.
You're gonna make something, Callie.
I like the blast.
Well, if anything does go wrong, it's going to fly at me as opposed to you. That's what we're hoping. Well, no, it spins towards me, so y'all be flying anyway.
You'd think they'd make it spin the other way for just that reason.
Make it more exciting.
Okay. Why are you being scared?
Alright, that's the place. Now, watch this.
Okay, it's gonna spin. Oh, there we go. I was gonna say it's the most anticlimactic ever. It's an epic fail. See how it spins?
It's definitely a top, not a dreidel.
Yeah, this is going to be a top.
Not a dreidel?
No?
Oh, did you make that other one the king was decorating?
Yeah.
Ah, I was wondering what in heaven's name you would make with that much wood. Like that has a very large pen. See how it's changing shape?
It's working. Speed it up. So you see, as it turns, the tool cuts away the wood. I can carve it in whatever shape I want.
Oh my goodness, that's a lot of dust. And
It's because Josh is old.
Nice and smooth.
Yeah, you can go on this.
Actually, I can't really. 20 years ago.
Okay.
Let's go. Back to Daddy. It's noisy. We need to go soon. Get you some numbers and
yeah, that's exactly what I said. I said, oh good. And then he's like, oh good. Yeah, can you make 4 tops?
Hang on. All right. Now that that's out of the way, it's nice and even. Let's get a top out of this, shall we? Now, because that was a square-edged tool, it's only making square-edged cuts. So what I'm going to do is take out the round-edged tool so we can smooth this out. See? Okay. Now, that's starting to look vaguely top-shaped. Sort of. Except we still have this big chunk at the bottom here. Let's take care of that
That's not a
next,
very
shall
good
we?
spin, Josh. Yep. Which side's the bottom?
This side is going to be the bottom. You know what? Before I finish this, let's take a quick moment to smooth it down. Take a little piece of sandpaper. Very gently. Rub the sandpaper over it. Smooth it down.
This looks like a top. It is a top. Except the top looks like a bottom.
Here comes the delicate part of the operation.
Yeah, what's he gonna do?
I don't know.
He's gotta get it off, right?
He's breaking that and then it's just gonna fall. It's like nothing happened.
We're just like jump on the Xbox.
And pop. Your top. Your top.
Let's turn this off
You can
really
actually.
quickly.
Like you'll leave in the morning and somebody will grab you or somebody.
That's what it looks like when it's not spinning.
Yup. Yep.
And it's like
That looks like a
Quick
cup already.
sand. Make sure it's all nice and smooth. So, who was first in line? You were? Here, do me a favor. Take this and over here, spin it for me, just to make sure it works. Oh, thank goodness. Okay. Take it, go paint it, go play with it. It's all yours. Keep it. Thank you. Wow, we say
And can I
you're very welcome. She was next, actually.
Kitty, no.
Yes, you are third in line.
I'm just gonna stay here and watch.
Well, that improvised tool works quite nicely.
It's mine. Well done.
Thank you.
It's gonna make your own.
Let's get this.
Can I have that?
Good enough.
Can I have that?